Okay, Good Friday. Okay, the angels carrying the Jesus Nazareno for the happy angels. Yeah, here. Okay, my chance to have a simple vlog for this. Yeah, focusing on these angels. There, hello sir, brother. Right there. There. That is so nice. Hello baby. That's it. Okay, that is just a little number of angels carrying Jesus Nazareno on this procession, Good Friday. Okay, that is Madam Elsie. Yeah, the continuation. That is kalo na kami ako Jesus Nazareno. Of course, our shall I say celebration on this Good Friday, because we are a part of our mourning for the death of the death of Jesus Christ. Here, the happy, yes madam. Yeah, just that is Mama Mary following the Jesus Nazareno. And this part for us, that is San Pedro. That's our San Pedro. Listen this one, yes. Yan, that's the Passioners. Yes. Hello, madam. That is okay. I don't know this the name of this saint, blessed saint. That is Santa Veronica, of course. Yes. Then Angas. Okay, yes. Okay, once more the Good Friday here. We give intense meaning for this Good Friday here in the parish of Abuluk. Our parish priest there, or parish priest Reverend Edgardo Kuli. Yes, and then my co-lay ministers, that is Jesus Nazareno, and then that is Mama Mary following always this. Okay, once more Good Friday, blessed Good Friday to us all, everyone. Galo na kami ako Jesus Nazareno, anak ko ako, anak ko pamilya mi ako, anak pamilya mi Jesus. Amen.